What's your personal perspective on whether AI reasons or understands? Because obviously there's the way it works on the ground versus how different is that to the way human brains work, etc.
Yeah.
How do you think about how AI thinks or doesn't think?
Yeah, it's again, there's not a perfect answer. I think everyone will have their own answer. The way I look at it is from pragmatic engineering perspective, it does understand. If I give it a document and ask information about what's written in this policy, it will understand it. It might get some things wrong, or maybe my understanding would be different from its understanding, but I don't see how else to describe it. I don't think we've got any other vocabulary to say, oh, it's not really quite understanding. And I think maybe the distinction could be useful if we're thinking about it from more existential or philosophical kind of level. But at a practical level, if I give it information, it explains that information to me, or explains what this policy was, or what this transaction was, then to me that's understanding. And reasoning is another one where the more performant, bigger models are getting much better at that. And they're not perfect at reasoning, and do get things wrong sometimes, but it is quite impressive the way they start to reason. And it looks like, for example, training it on coding data seems to improve its reasoning performance, because coding is basically reasoning. So it's a very interesting area, and I think what we should expect, and it looks like from scaling models from smaller ones that we've got already to GPT-4, it looks like reasoning is the area where the performance increased the most. And perhaps that's what we should expect, that bigger models should have even better reasoning capability.